Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we're looking on Garden 13 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are in a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. And what we see is just the view on the garden. Beautiful now. It's actually 16 degrees at the moment here in the southeast of Spain. We have very low humidity still. We have a very good visibility today. And what we see is the community garden of Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in Garden 13. I'm going to show you today a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property here on Condado de Alhama in Garden 13. And I'm just standing here on the main terrace. As you can see, it's already 10 o'clock here in Spain, 4 o'clock on the Canaries, 10 o'clock here on the mainland. And I'm showing you today a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We're just on the main terrace and walking into the property now. As you can see here, we're going through the main door into the living room. All what we see on our little tour today is what we get. The property is sold as seen with all furnishing included. We will see now all the specs of this place, and I'm just doing a quick roundup of the kitchen now and of the dining and living area. Here we go. It's all very well appointed, and as you can see, it's all in pristine condition. The kitchen includes, as we see, the fridge freezer, a dishwasher, oven, extractor fan, and hob, as well as the washing machine. As well, it's fitted and kitted with all cutlery, crockery items. And I'm just showing you now around the views from your kitchen. This means from your kitchen you will have direct view even nearly to the pool. There we go. Just in the background. 2-bed, 1-bath located on the first floor on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are in a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. And I'm now showing you, apart from the agent in the mirror, hi, you do see now the master bedroom. All bedrooms come with fitted wardrobes, as we see here, and all rooms as well are fitted with air conditioned hot and cold inverter technology. In this case, it's General brand. Just show you quickly the bedroom again, and also your views from the bedroom onto the golf course. There we go. Isn't this beautiful? Just to turn around, all what we see on our tour today is what we get in the asking price of only 67,000 euros, open to offers. Obviously sensible offers, because the price is already quite adjusted to market circumstances. I'm showing you at the moment the 2nd bedroom, fitted as well with 2 single beds, as well air conditioning. As we said, all rooms are fitted with air conditioning, hot and cold, as well with a fitted wardrobe. And just let me show you quickly how this looks like in the inside, with a chest of drawers and a rail to hang clothes, and on top of that we have another storage shelf which is actually occupied with linen and towels. Just let me close this again. We are today on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, brought to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. You will find the property details under our reference, which is 3136, and the asking price is only 67,000 euros. Sensible offers are welcome. I'm just showing you now again the living room of this beautiful property, with the kitchen, which comes fully equipped, as well with all kind of crockery, pots and pans, microwave, kettle, most important. So all the stuff we see here comes included in the asking price of only 67,000 euros. Dining area, which is strolling through the living room onto the terrace in front. As we said, it's 10 o'clock today. No, we're not paid by this company. I just thought it's a thing to mention. Oh, there we go. This is the view from the terrace in front of the property, but as well, all first-floor apartments on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort and the garden areas also enjoy a roof terrace, which is of the same size as the apartment itself. We're just walking up here. In case you have any question or doubt, or you want me to view a specific item again, just drop me a line at the bottom of the screen and we will make sure that we'll answer your questions and do the viewing again, whatever you want to see. Just walking up here, this is the view now from the roof terrace onto the golf course. In the background you see the Sierra de Carrascoy, very famous nature reserve with a very good and famous hotel up there, the Hotel Mariposa. And we see here as well in the background the Kasar commercial center, which is the hub for all activity on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. But let me show you as well the views onto the gardens. Just walking here onto the terrace. It's quite a big terrace, I'll show it to you in a second. These are now the views from the roof terrace onto the community garden. Isn't this beautiful? Even today, when it's now getting slightly dark, we reckon the sun goes down within the next 20 minutes. I still can show you here this big ample terrace fitted with awnings, producing nearly kind of a winter garden situation up here, with the air-conditioned unit here, which is a 3x1 central unit. So I think that's quite attractive. And as you can see, this terrace is of the same size as the apartment, so we are talking about nearly 60 square meter of sun terrace, ideally located above your terrace, connected through this private staircase. Let me just walk down again on the staircase to show you again. It's getting a little bit shady now, obviously, but I hope you can see and feel as well what we are seeing here. That's the view again from the terrace. And let's walk into this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment located on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, brought to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. There we go. This is now again the living room with the kitchen integrated, dining area. There are loads of cushions here in the back for all the outside furnishing and all that, so somewhere it needs to be stored in the meantime whilst the owners are not here. Excuse me. As we can see, this mirror is perfectly placed there, so you can see me quite a long while now. And we are now into the master bedroom, conveniently furnished, double bed, bedside tables, views onto the golf course, excuse me, fitted wardrobes, air conditioning in all rooms, as we said, hot and cold. The second bedroom, here we go. This is now our second bedroom of this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. You'll find this property under the reference 3136 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, where we show many properties available on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort and other resorts in the area. Quickly now the bathroom. Bathtub with a shower screen, glass shower screen. I hope you can see that as it's transparent. Fitted with everything needed, as well with an extra extractor fan. In case you want to see the agent again, no, I don't think so. There we go again, Rupert, go away. And we're walking back into the living room. The kitchen, as we said, is completely fitted with washing machine, microwave, toaster kettle, extractor fan, hob and cooker, as well as dishwasher and fridge freezer. There we go. In the cupboard here, you will find the electric water heater, which is this one. As well, the property is equipped with air conditioning in all rooms, as we can see here. They have also put in an additional awning for the front terrace, which is quite handy, especially in summertime, as the sun can be pretty intense down here. So this is now the awning, which covers a big chunk of the terrace here, which we can see here. Not really necessary in winter, but really to be appreciated during the summer month, because it can get pretty warm down here. Just let me show you the views again. We are on a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment today on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, brought to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are based on the Kasar shopping center, the one you have just seen before, and are the only fully licensed estate agent on the resort. And we would really look forward to, whenever you can come over to Condado again, just pop into our office and have a chat with us. These are the views now. Again, on the development of the Jardines, of the so-called gardens, each property as well has its own car park, which is marked with the apartment number to make sure that only the owner is allowed to use the car park. This guarantees that there is no lack of such, and whenever you come to your property, you will find your car park free and ready for you to arrive. The property is located on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort and has an asking price of only 67,000 euros. Sensible offers welcome. And we are part of Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the Jardines area. The community fee for this property is of roughly 80 euros per month and includes all services provided by the community, being security, being pool attendance, being gardening, being street lighting, being cleaning of obviously public areas. As well, the community fee of 80 euros includes as well the use of an internet line of 100 megabyte up and download. We have just been upgraded, and all the resort has now got the glass fiber network to provide the service to all apartments, which comes now free of charge as it's part of the community fees. As well included in the community fees is the use of all the international TV channels, which are also provided through the glass fiber network. For more details, please inquire with our office or with the administrator's office. I'm just showing you now the second bedroom of this 2-bed 1-bathroom apartment. All rooms are fitted with air conditioning, as you can see, hot and cold inverter technology, as well as with fitted wardrobes. Just let me show you the fitted wardrobe here. There we go. Doesn't say a lot now, but inside it's already equipped with chest of drawers and to hang the clothes here on the rail. There we go. Just leave it open. We now think, should we go to the master bedroom? As we can see here, as well, the master bedroom is fully furnished. All what we see today in our virtual viewing comes included in the asking price of 67,000 euros, or nearest offer. There we go. You find this and more properties on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, and this specific property you find under reference 3136. Okay, so as you maybe know, it's Christmas coming up, and this is now for today the last show for the year 2020, and we will come back to you at the 7th of January, same time, same station, 5 o'clock or 10 o'clock here on the mainland of Spain, 4 o'clock in the Canaries and in the UK. So, we did the 10 o'clock thing now.
I think it's time to open the gin now.
Okay, so...
I'm not sure how the owners would feel about this. Jill, what do you say?
Well, I think we should rather...
Maybe we'll leave it for the buyer as a celebratory
I think it's
welcome
rather
gift.
something we leave for the buyer, you know? Okay,
yeah.
beautiful property, a little bit darkish today because it's obviously winter time
sun,
now,
isn't it?
the winter sun, but still there is quite some sun here, 16 degrees.
We're still
That's
standing
quite
here in our
okay.
jumpers, and it's Christmas next week. So,
Exactly, yeah, Christmas is coming up. Happy days. Well, folks, as I said, this is the last show for the year 2020, but I promise to be back next year on the 7th of January. Looking forward to see you guys all again on the 7th of January, where we will show you another beautiful property here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. But there will be some changes as well coming year, so please stay tuned. There might be some new things coming up also regarding our virtual open houses, and I'm really looking forward to see you again on the 7th of January. In the meantime, the team of Quality Homes Costa Calida is wishing you a Merry, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, stay safe,
take care,
stay away from the freaking virus, and we want to see you all again healthy on the 10th of January. In the meantime, goodbye, stay safe.
Merry Christmas.